Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to Doing My Learning. Today we are going to talk about the simple past tense. First, to understand what is the simple past tense, we are going to look to this timeline. Here we can see the present. In the present are the things that we are doing right now. Future. In the future, they are the things we will experience someday. But today we are going to talk about simple past. These are the things we already did in the past. So we use the simple past tense to talk about past experiences like trips or holidays. I mean, something that happened yesterday, last year, last month, or last week, or a long time ago. Now let's see how to make affirmative sentences. First we need a subject. Do you remember the subjects like I, he, she, it, we, they, or you? Plus a verb in the past. I mean, you can use irregular or regular verbs like went, drank, traveled. Plus the complement. In this case, you have to complement the sentence to Tibet, mango juice, or Santa Cruz. Let's read. He went to Tibet. We drank mango juice. You traveled to Santa Cruz.